but I don't want to overdo this or overmix the sauce. Oh! Jeremy! Hi guys! So I have such a treat for you. We are making burgers two ways. The breakfast smash burger with the works and a flavor on flavor turkey burger and a Bloody Mary mayo. They're quick, easy, and will make you feel like you are dining out while dining in. And you guys, that is not it. I have here with me award-winning restaurateur and celebrity chef, and also my really close friend, Jeremy Paul. Okay, cue the applause, please. Jeremy, what's up? Jeremy. So anyway, Jeremy makes his living. Jeremy makes his living creating new recipes and cooking on a grand scale. Today, I'm gonna see if my recipes make the cut as we recreate restaurant quality food at home. We will be making a breakfast smash burger and a flavor on flavor turkey burger. To really make it exciting, we are gonna whip up a Chipotle Bloody Mary mayo.
But first things first, take a moment and be sure to subscribe to Tia's channel. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3 to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notification. You'll be one of the first to know when Tia launches a new episode, and you'll thank me later. Baking, frying, and lots of laughing. I know you don't want to miss out on that.
No, you don't.
But before we get started, be sure to follow
Tia Mowry's Quick Fix and share this with all of your friends.
Tag them below.
I mean, whenever we are together, there's always some great drinking involved.
Wait, what were you saying? Sorry, I couldn't. I was listening. This is really good.
Thank you. Cheers.
Ooh, shit.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. I have a challenge for you. I want you to come up with a delicious sauce on the spot.
Okay.
So we're gonna do burgers two ways. One is with ground beef, the other is with turkey with like Asian flavors. So have that in mind when you create the sauce.
It has to work for both.
Exactly. While you work on the sauce, I'm gonna work on the flavor for my beef burgers. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some fish sauce, right? And then, Jeremy, help me with this. I can never say this word.
I'm in the middle of creating here. If you please, don't try. I'm trying to scoop my mayo.
I'm adding, what is it, Worcestershire?
Worcestershire. I've been saying it wrong forever.
Okay.
I used to say Worcestershire, that was off. Worcestershire.
Worcestershire?
Sure. We gotta make a, good.
So, Jeremy, I am using beef chuck. And basically what that is, it's 80% meat and 20% fat. And I'm sure you know why you need fat with these smash burgers. Why?
Well, it doesn't stick to the pan when you smash it.
Yes.
Because of the fat.
Yes, and while we were talking, the sauce that I made, I also added some butter in there, which is even more added fat. So we added the butter, the fish sauce, and the
brown sauce.
The brown sauce that again just adds so much freaking flavor. How's it going over there? It's looking really
honestly,
good.
it's going so well. It's almost.
How did I get like the messy part, and you got like the?
I don't know, to be honest with you.
I am cooking for you when usually Jeremy is always the one that's like providing the food or some sort of food. Okay, so basically I'm just moving around this sauce, you know, making sure that it's all nicely combined, but I don't want to overdo this or overmix the sauce. Oh! Jeremy! Oh my gosh!
Well, okay, so that has never happened. And also, I'm sorry. You're wearing red.
I know, I am wearing red, so I guess it like blends in.
Can we,
Wait. Okay, so basically, Jeremy, I'm just mixing all of this together so that the sauce is nice and fully, the sauce is, you know.
Well, a couple magic drops of sriracha.
Yes, mixed in nicely. But I'm gonna chop this into fours, Jeremy, because we're gonna make 4 patties.
I'm putting more of this, what's this called?
Worcestershire sauce. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just, you know, mash these into patties, should I say.
Okay.
So, Jeremy, you are an expert, okay?
Yes, many things. Go on. Just start with one,
Okay, you're an expert with burgers, okay? So
Yes.
for all of the people at home, like even myself, you know, making burgers for our loved ones,
Don't salt it yet. Salt it later.
Uh-huh. And
Yeah.
tell me why.
It is going to open up the pores of the meat, and then the
Okay.
salt is going to go into the meat.
Uh-huh.
One thing that I will say, so don't overwork your patty.
No, and yes, I knew that. Don't do that.
Also, if you're doing a smash, it doesn't have to be perfectly round because you're going to smash it. So you don't have to like overly focus.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. All right, so now I have to wash my hands.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, we have to cheers again. Come on,
Oh.
we're not drinking. We have to drink.
Honestly, we really do.
Ready?
This thing.
I love things spicy and hot.
I got that stuff going. So in a hot Serrano, man.
Feeling hot. Okay.
All right,
Daniel.
back to work here.
So would you say what I'm about to do now is another great tip, which is basically I'm gonna go ahead and put these burgers in the refrigerator for a minute so that
Yes.
they firm up, because I don't want them, falling apart in.
Yes. I have another tip as well.
Would you say that's a tip?
That is that's a must.
A must,
That's not a
okay.
tip, that's an order.
An order. Okay, you
Order.
guys, you have to do that if you want the bomb
Okay.
burgers.
The bomb burgers. I always put my sauce in the fridge, and if I don't have time, I throw it in the freezer. You know why? Because when you mix all the liquids, it gets very, you don't have to be soupy. It thickens it
Yeah.
a little bit. So I do that. I throw it in the freezer if I don't have time, or the fridge.
So, the reason why we are calling this burger the breakfast smash burger is because we are gonna be topping this burger with some of my breakfast favorites. Bacon. I mean, I love bacon.
Right?
Oh my gosh. There's just something about bacon. It's just so fatty and greasy, salty. It's just so nice and salty. So we're adding bacon, and we're gonna be adding a fried egg, and I'm gonna leave that up to you.
I think I can crack an egg.
You think you can do it?
Yeah.
Okay,
It'll-
so wait, Jeremy, can you tell them why the cast iron skillet needs to be really, really nice and hot for a smash burger?
Absolutely, Tia. Yes,
Okay.
I can. So, you want to make sure that this is very hot.
Yes,
Right.
I mean, and
We're-
you want the smoke coming out, right?
Yeah, you don't want to burn your pan,
Okay,
but
this is hot.
yeah, it's hot, right? And then you need to be hot because first of all, this is usually cold.
Yes.
So it's gonna cool down the pan. And when you
Okay.
smash it, it needs to get like an immediate char as you're pushing it down.
Got it. I mean, I always like to look for the smoke coming up
You know
from
what?
the pan, and I see it.
You can use any device to smash this, by the way.
Okay. Hear that sizzle. I love a good sizzle.
You want to smash the burger?
Go ahead,
Or
you
want
do
me
it.
to smash
No, you do it. Okay.
All right,
So
fine.
you either can smash it with the back of a spatula, no, or a
Oh
measuring
yeah, you know
cup?
what? Yeah, we can do the
You
back
wanna
of
do it?
spatula. Yeah, sure. So, kids, this is what the demographic kids. Kids, older than kids, what you want to make sure is not to burn your hands. So
Yes.
you can either use a device such as a measuring cup, measuring cup,
Yeah.
or a spatula. If you want to be careful, which you should, use a napkin and then smash it down.
Wow, look at that.
So normally they say when you have a burger, you never press down because the juices come out. But a smash burger, it's okay because we want to get a nice char.
Char.
crisp
That's
on the
what we're
out-
looking for.
Yes, yes.
We want it to be crispy on the. Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Crispy on the outside.
At the end, we're gonna take Tia soups, and that's how we're gonna shape the burger, just to make sure. Okay, so I'm getting more to a circular shape here. For this patty, probably like 3 minutes on each side. Usually, if
Okay.
you do a thinner patty, it's like a minute. You got this?
I got this.
Okay.
You got to work on that
you,
egg.
You should put the salt. Okay.
I put the salt on. Do you want me to put the cheese on now?
Yeah, put
We
the
should,
cheese
right?
on so it like melts. If it's American cheese, usually melts faster. If it's a cheddar, it's a little bit slower, but it looks like this has a good melt factor. I have a pro tip for us, guys.
Go
I have
ahead.
a pro tip.
What?
If the cheese isn't melting on time, I add a little bit of water and then I cover it so it stings the cheese. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna crack an egg.
Okay. Oh, with one hand.
Oh, look at that, no shell.
Oh, wow.
No shell. So that's how you crack
Oh
an egg.
my gosh.
That's how you check.
Wait, I think this is done, no?
Yeah, you know what? It's forming a cheese skirt.
Yeah,
See what
it
I'm saying?
is,
I actually
yes.
like the crispy bits of cheese.
Me too. All right, this is looking really good. So we need the buns.
Yes.
And I've already buttered them, and
Oh, they're toasted?
they're toasted.
Perfect.
We can put your sauce on the buns. And
So-
then I'm just gonna go ahead and put the burger right onto the bun. Okay.
So this needs to be lowered.
Okay.
The flame. I'm gonna let it fry a little bit.
It
And then
smells so good, Jeremy. Are you gonna put salt and pepper on it or no?
I am. Thank you for reminding me. I actually forgot the salt and pepper. Never forget salt and pepper. I'm gonna salt.
Okay.
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 I'm getting a nice. See what I'm saying
That
right here?
looks so good.
Yes. I have a new NFT project called Golden Egg Club.
Okay.
And it's essentially inspired by a country club. It's not an actual country club
Yeah.
place, but it's more like the culture around it. Bringing
Okay.
people together through food, because food's a conduit to conversation.
Yes.
Cultural unifier. So I'm doing these pop-up breakfast tables around where members can get together. It's very limited. There's only 222 members.
Founding
and there's,
memberships,
There's
okay.
an 18 karat gold egg NFT and a 24 karat gold egg NFT. So I got you.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is unfreaking believable. And congratulations. So,
Speaking about golden eggs.
okay, look at that. It's just like, oh gosh. We're gonna put some bacon on top.
Yes, we are.
How many slices?
I was gonna say, should we do 2? And
We
do like
got
a bit
enough
of
bacon.
a bit of a like a cross pattern here. You know what I mean? Just like that. And then
Yes.
should I flip it?
Go ahead, do it.
Okay.
There we go. Woohoo! Look at that. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do my flavor on flavor turkey burger.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, so
All right,
we're doing that next.
we're doing that next. Let's
Okay.
go. All right, so are you ready to start this?
Yes, I think first we start with the rice vinegar.
Yes.
To put it on the cucumbers because it'll give it almost like a pickly vibe.
So while the cucumbers are sitting in the rice wine vinegar, we're gonna work on our patties. We're gonna,
Yes.
it's flavor on flavor, so there's gonna be lots of flavor here. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add an egg.
I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger here.
Grated garlic and ginger.
Some soy sauce.
Yes, soy sauce.
A little sesame oil in there.
There we go.
Okay, now we're going to do the panko.
Yes.
The breadcrumbs. The Japanese breadcrumbs.
Yes, we're gonna add all of that in
Okay.
there. So just dump it all in there.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add some salt and some pepper.
Okay.
And then scallions. Look at already like the flavor on flavor. You know, our first burgers, it was all about the smash burger. Now we're not gonna do any smashing.
We're not smashing.
No, so I do wanna make these just a little, you know, round.
Those are probably like 4 ounces.
Yes. Okay, so that's one.
You know what? I'm not
What?
gonna let you do this by yourself.
See,
Well,
thank you. I can't
Never
just be
leave
the only one.
anyone behind.
Yeah,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And this is the fun part, Jeremy. Okay, there we go. The oil is nice and hot right now, don't
To
you
be
think?
honest, we can tell who's.
So usually, of course, I would put these in the refrigerator so that they firm up nicely,
Mm-hmm.
but we're not gonna do that with these. But what I am gonna do you mind putting or pressing your thumb down in the middle?
Yes, of course.
And do you know why I'm doing that?
No, tell me.
What happens is sometimes when you, of course, start cooking these, the burger will start to rise like at the top, and I don't want that to happen. So I just want to just like, you know, push it down just a little bit so that it doesn't have like this mound. So while this heats up, right, we're gonna wash our hands.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
hands are clean.
Hands are clean.
Right?
We got spatulas.
We have the spatula here. You can hold this.
Okay.
The pan, it's nice and hot. We
Okay.
want it to be really nice and hot. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and add our burgers in. So
Okay. I'm
go
gonna
ahead
get
and
the
grab
one that this is the one that you did with your thumb. It looks better than mine.
it's fine.
Let's take this.
Okay, there
Thanks
we go.
for helping me.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay.
Look at that.
Perfect. So we're just gonna cook this 3 to 5 minutes. I mean, this is just looking and smelling amazing. While this is cooking, do you wanna grab the buns and we could start?
Yeah, the buns are right here.
Yes,
actually.
and we have the sesame seed bun. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the sauce on. So Jeremy,
Yes.
what did you put in this sauce?
Okay, so I put mayo. I
Okay.
put ketchup.
Okay.
I put chipotle hot sauce.
Okay.
I put celery salt. I put
That.
pepper.
Okay.
And I put 2 other types of hot sauce
Wow, so this is gonna
that
be
I cannot
spicy.
name. While you
Okay.
do this, I'm gonna add a little bit of honey here.
Drizzle, drizzle.
Yeah.
So you see how the burgers are like, it has like a nice like caramelization on it?
Yeah, I see one has a little bit more than
More,
the other.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
You want to
This
make
looks
sure you
amazing.
get cucumbers on it.
Yes, of course. We're
So-
gonna dress it with the cucumbers that we let soak up all of that vinegar, right? It's like a pickle, but not a pickle. Your turn.
Okay, so I'm taking a bottom bun, taking a top bun.
There you go.
I'm going to take this patty.
Okay,
I'm going to place it. Thank you.
you're welcome. Right there.
That, okay.
Looks so good.
Put this away.
Do you want cucumbers too?
Yes, I do.
There you
There's
go.
Cucumbers. I'm doing 1. I'm going to create a bit of a triangular shape, like a pyramid scheme. And we're going to take the top
Yep.
bun. We're going to press it on.
Ooh.
You're gonna give it a little bit of-
And see that
See that juice?
gosh,
That's all that.
flavor on flavor. I mean,
I mean,
we have to try the other one now, Jeremy. But first, before we taste, we gotta toast.
you have to toast.
That kind of rhymes.
This is
Not
like-
really, but taste.
This is number what, 12?
Who's counting? Look at how beautiful these burgers look on these plates.
They do.
Right? I think I'm gonna go ahead and try
Yeah.
the breakfast smash burger first.
I am too.
And again, why we call it the breakfast smash burger is because there's that egg, the bacon. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Jeremy. Wow.
Wow. This is really good.
This is definitely restaurant quality.
Oh yeah.
I'm going in for the second bite.
Me too.
Wow. The bacon and the egg and just the cheese. Wow. I think we have to cleanse our palates with another toast.
Oh, okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow. You guys.
This is really good. Let's take another bite.
Woo! Okay. Next is the flavor on flavor turkey burger. Wow. The sauce. Can we talk about your sauce?
Yeah. we can talk about it.
It is so good, Jeremy!
Yeah. I don't think you're surprised. Oh.
Oh my gosh! The cucumber adds a nice
It's
kind
a
of
must.
cool vibe that cools things down. It adds like a nice freshness, but not only that, that crunch. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys, we freaking nailed it.
Oh, really?
When we are together, it is always a good time, great conversation, laughter,
Drinks.
drinks.
Drink.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Always great food.
Always great food.
Thank you. Aww. You guys, I truly enjoyed these burgers. I know for a fact you will really, really love these.
Yes, you will.
Whether you like beef or whether you like turkey, we got you burgers 2 different ways. I hope you try it out. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.